welcome to our channel, where we unbox the latest tech gadgets. Today, we have an exciting reveal for you, the Galaxy Book4 Series. Get ready to experience next-level power like never before. As we open the box, we are greeted with a sleek and stylish design. The Galaxy Book4 Series is a true masterpiece, crafted to perfection. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it the ideal companion for those constantly on the go. Now, let's talk about the power. The Galaxy Book4 Series is equipped with a lightning-fast processor, delivering unrivaled performance. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, this device can handle it all effortlessly. The display is absolutely stunning, with vibrant colors and incredible clarity. Whether you're watching movies, working on creative projects, or simply browsing the web, the Galaxy Book4 Series offers an immersive visual experience like no other. But that's not all. The battery life on this device is mind-blowing. With the Galaxy Book4 Series, you can stay connected and productive all day long. No more worrying about running out of power during important tasks or entertainment. And let's not forget about the versatility. The Galaxy Book4 Series can be easily transformed from a laptop to a tablet, giving you the flexibility to work or play in any way you desire. The S Pen, included with the device, allows for precise and intuitive input, making your creative journey even more enjoyable. In conclusion, the Galaxy Book4 Series is a game-changer in the world of computing. With its next-level power, stunning display, incredible battery life, and versatility, it's the ultimate device for both work and play. Experience the future of computing with the Galaxy Book4 Series. Thanks for watching our unboxing and review of the Galaxy Book4 Series. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Stay tuned for our upcoming unboxing videos and reviews. Bye for now.